Welcome to Peace Ravi TV. This is Triple K Road in Chennai, India. And today we are going to show a different subject. That is, you just see this tuk-tuk auto rickshaw. Here you can see in India, in Tamil Nadu state, there was a great chief minister before and a great actor. His name is MGR. They call Purachi Talivar MGR or Ponmanachemmal MGR and Vadyar, all these titles. And he's the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. MGR means MG Ramachandran. Okay, wow. So here we have a lot of fans, billions of fans in India and around the world. And one man here, this tuk-tuk driver, he always liked MGR very much, and now MGR is no more. He passed away in 1987, and you can see his memorial in Marina Beach, which is MGR Samadhi. Samadhi is his tomb there, so you can visit there. Huge people from all parts of India will visit this memorial always. And here you can see, and the MGR is very famous for his costumes and the great acting and the very good heart. So he have many fans. MGR have many fans, and this auto rickshaw driver is a fan of MGR who did a lot of shows also. And his costumes you can see every day he will have like same like an MGR. If you want to know who is MGR actually, you can go to any YouTube or any channel and ask for MG Ramachandran, actor MGR or something, and you can see his films, it's beautiful, and his costumes also. And you can see here and some of the article. Yeah, this article came in 10/7/2018. He says MGR is my car, and it's a New Indian Express. You see his auto rickshaw, and this is the man who you can see now. Shortly I will take you to his driver's seat, and this is his article. You can read his article, maybe later on you can just read, you can make a still in this video and you can read his article completely. His article, what he says, and this is his tuk-tuk and auto rickshaw number is this, and they call Junior MGR. He's already famous, and he went to Singapore and Malaysia and other thing, also did some MGR program. And you see the Times of India 2016, the New Indian Express, MGR is my God 2018, the Hindu 2019 on the chief command. And you can see there is some other article, the Hindu, the newspaper, famous newspaper, on Tuesday, July 16, 2019, this article. You can read this article, you make still in this YouTube, and you can read this completely. Okay. Now let's meet MGR. This is MGR. Okay. Now we go and see Mr. MGR, Junior MGR, sitting there waiting for the passenger. He's a lovely person, kind-hearted person. And let me take the front side. So this gentleman is actual MGR. See. As you see, MGR is my God. The article. His name is Santana Krishnan, a die-hard fan of MGR, who has been entertaining people, dressing and talking like the legendary actor. This is the heading of this article in the Hindu newspaper on Tuesday, July 16, 2019. And now This is his tuk-tuk auto rickshaw, and here is in Triplicane High Road. If you come near in Triplicane High Road, ask for the Star Theatre Cinema, and you can ask Mr. Santana Krishnan, Junior MGR. If you ask somebody Santana Krishnan, some people don't know. You just ask Junior MGR. So here is Junior MGR. You see his shoes and his costume, and he always like this. Today he is in this costume, and tomorrow he will be in another costume. All month he will be in different costume. Most of his money he is spending for his costume, and he also have a face powder, makeup same like MGR, and his eyebrow, and and you see his neck. He's having not just a tie or something. He's having a colorful scarf, same like MGR. You can see MGR inside also in Tamil. You can see this MGR in a very old movie. Look at his costume. He also have a costume like this. And now let's talk to MGR. Hello MGR. How are you? Fine. So your life is beautiful. What do you think about MGR? Why you are MGR?
My MGR is my God.
Okay. MGR is your God. You can also speak in Tamil if you want, or in English, whatever you want.
Okay. MGR வந்து அவர் படத்தை பார்த்து அவர் படத்தில் எப்படி நடிச்சாரோ அது மாதிரி நான் நேரில் இருக்கணும் எனக்கு ஆசை இருக்கும். அதனால அது மாதிரி இது மாதிரி யாருக்கும் வந்து தீங்கு நல்லது செய்யணும், யாருக்கும் கெடுதல் செய்யணும்.
He is telling he want to do good for everybody, same like how MGR done.
Yes.
So inspiration, MGR is your inspiration. Great. Let me sit in his seat and talk to him for a while. And can I have a seat here? You see the spiritual photos also. He's a very spiritual person, very clean man, no bad habits, nothing. He likes to drink a chai and cookies, just come here and then waiting for the structure. You see his coat is beautiful. Now today is an orange in color, tomorrow it can be red or rose or whatever. And this is episode 1. You can see some more episodes. Maybe I want to take 5 or 6, I don't know. Now is important. Tomorrow is tomorrow. And today is a wonderful day. And today is 1st August 2020. Today is Sani Maha Pradosham. It's a very great day. And for Muslims, today is a Bagris Eid festival, Eid Mubarak. Assalamu alaikum everybody. Here is MGR. It is not a normal thing to do this costume and being like MGR, because MGR is a great person, honest person. And MGR have an award called Bharat Ratna, which is a great award, which is a very biggest award of India. And you can see his film Ulagam Suttrumaliban, one of the great movie, which is Ulagam Suttrumaliban means world travel by the youth. This movie called Ulagam Suttrumaliban, just type in YouTube and watch this movie, it's a beautiful movie. And so here also is one Valiban, a youth, and he is great. You have a family. How many children you have?
3 children.
3. Daughters or son?
2 daughters, 1 son.
What they are studying?
2 daughters, 1 son.
என்ன படிக்கிறாங்க?
2 daughters degree.
Okay. 2 daughters done graduation.
Become ISM 1 daughter, become dental 1 daughter, son 12th standard.
12th standard. The son is 12th grade, is going soon to the soon is going to university, the son, but the 2 daughters already finished the graduation. And you?
No, my graduate BA Economics 86%.
Okay, he completed his degree in 1986. He studied economics. BA Economics. So he is an economics student. He did 1986. And how young are you now? I don't want to say how old are you. How young are you now?
Yes. 30 years.
What's your age now?
56.
Okay, he is 56 years young now. I don't want to say 56 years old because that age is nothing. Age is just a number. Like same like a money, and he's beautiful. He's like a kid, and he's not 56. I don't want to say he's 56. He is like 16 years youth, and he's very active every time. People, please, when you come to Chennai from any country, please visit him. Also in India, from any state, you come to Chennai, Madras, South part is Madras. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu, and Tamil Nadu is one of the state of India. And if you come to Madras or Chennai, you come to Triplicane area and ask for Junior MGR. Please visit him, and it's a great fun and a great inspiration. Clean person, honest person. And I keep seeing him for many years, but this is my first interview him, and I used to talk to him every time, but today I just asked him, can I take you a small interview on this subject, and he said yes, and so I am very, very happy today because of this Mr. Santanam. His name is Santana Krishnan, right? Santana Krishnan. Okay, beautiful. So wish you all a great day, and நீங்க என்ன சொல்ல விரும்புறீங்க யங்ஸ்டர்ஸ்க்குலாம்?
நான் வந்து எம்ஜிஆர் என்னுடைய 7 வருஷத்துல எம்ஜிஆர் பார்த்தேன். அன்னில இருந்து எம்ஜிஆரோட கொள்கைகளை கடைபிடிக்கிறேன். அதனால நான் எம்ஜிஆருக்கு ஒரு நல்ல தேவை என்ன இருக்குதோ அதை என்கிட்ட பணம் கிடையாது, நல்ல மனம் இருக்கு.
Okay, what he said, he just he became a fan of MGR at the age of 7. Since then, he just following about MGR's all his habits, and become honest because of MGR. And he said that he is not having a lot of money, he not having enough money, but he have a big heart. So, நீங்க மத்தவங்களுக்கு என்ன சொல்ல விரும்புறீங்க?
மத்தவங்க நல்லா செய்யணும், நல்லது நடக்கணும், நல்லபடியா இருந்தாக்கா இன்னும் நல்ல வாழ்க்கை வாழலாம். இந்த குடி பழக்கம் அந்த பழக்கம் இருந்தாக்கா வாழ முடியாது. எனக்கு நான் என்னோட தலைவர் படத்துல எப்படி நடிச்சாரோ அதே மாதிரி எனக்கு எந்த ஒரு ஹேபிட் இல்லாம இது வரைக்கும் நல்லா இருக்கிறேன், ஹெல்த்தியா இருக்கிறேன். about 25 years, my weight 53 or 54 controlled.
Okay. He says to the people in India and also in other country, for the youngsters particularly, what he says, that he is fit, and his weight also is maintaining his weight 56 or 54, something like that. And he says that same like MGR, he don't have any bad habit like smoking or drinking alcohol, something. That is why he's good, and his heart is good, he says. And so he wants everybody to be, particularly the youths, so not to be alcohol, not to smoke, everybody to be fit and happy. That's what you want to say. Okay, thank you, Mr. Santana Krishnan. I will see you again in the next episode. This is the MGR song. You see MGR. This is MGR. Please listen to this song. he likes this song. Thanks for watching Peace Rabbit TV. Wish you all a great day.